Hi guys, so today it is the live swatch video for the polishes that came in December's Meebox. The theme was hollow, so obviously we have 3 holographic polishes. Now I actually have this colour already on my nails, I liked it that much. This is by Prism Polish and it's called Loyalty, Loyalty, Loyalty. A little bit sheer on first coat, but it does deepen up nicely on the second. The second polish is by A England and this is called Carnation Lily Lily Rose. It's a dusty sort of purple lilac shade with a lot of holographic shimmer in there. Sheer again on first coat, but we'll see how it deepens up on the second. The third polish is called Cosmic Fate and this one is by Colour Club and it is this beautiful burnt orange sort of copper tone that has got some really good coverage on one coat. You could probably get away with just the one coat if you wanted, but I am going to do the second because I think it's just a little bit see-through.